Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust time in your Mitsubishi Mirage G4. Setting your car's clock is a simple task, though the exact steps depend on whether your vehicle has traditional buttons or a modern touchscreen system. We'll guide you through finding the right controls and making the necessary adjustments to ensure your vehicle always displays the correct time. If your Mirage G4 has physical buttons, look for H for hour, M for minute, and SET or clock near the display. Press and hold SET until the hour flashes. Use H to set the hour, then press SET again. The minutes will flash, so use M to adjust them. Press SET one last time to save. For models with a touchscreen, begin by tapping the Setup or Settings icon on your display. Navigate to the Clock or Time menu. Here, you'll typically find plus and minus buttons to adjust the hours and minutes. Remember to disable any automatic GPS time or daylight saving features if you wish to set the time manually. Once you have made your adjustments, whether by buttons or touchscreen, ensure the display stops flashing to confirm the settings are saved. Take a moment to verify that the new time is correct, including the AM or PM indicator if applicable. Your Mitsubishi Mirage G4's clock is now accurately set, ready for your next journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.